2, 1. Congratulations, Gold Gym Baseline, on your grand opening. Congratulations also.
Guys, so guys, Happy New Year guys. Di ba daghan kayo nato is one. I'm sure daghan kayo nato nag New Year's resolution that they want to be fitter, stronger, and slimmer in a new decade in 2020. And you know what? If you want to get stronger, kay baba mo nanay Gold's Gym. There is a baseline center. So nanay bagong Gold's Gym sa Cebu. This is the third Gold's Gym, and tara atong i-check out kung unsa ang naa dire. So this is Gold's Gym, and mag-open na siya ron today. Alright, when you enter, this is it. And there lang friendly receptionists and towels. Then of course, there are ang mga timbangan and ato mga staff na yung mga kettlebells dire og you can even do ropes here. So plus of course you can do warm-ups with your treadmills and a rowing machine. Plus if you love spinning, there's an exclusive spinning class, get the spinning room. Build the fire with it. Then they have really a spacious weight area. They have different weight machines like that. They have the Nautilus machines, for example, this tricep extension machine. And they have more, the impact strength, the abductor, leg extension, leg curls. But you have also the free weights over there. Wow. And by the way, this is the men's locker. You have to bring your own padlock, but that's a bit big. Shower rooms, of course, a sauna if you want to some more sweat. So very private. And then, of course, mag free weights. So here you wanna lose weight, and if you wanna do cardio, wow, look at this stepper, guys. Na yung own TV ba? So you can watch news or sports while really doing your own cardio workout. Like, look at the Stairmaster. Grabe kanina Stairmaster, guys. Will surely make it awesome. Na yun, sus, kanisad, no? Tanawa ko yung cycling, relax lang ka. Or, the most amazing treadmills. The Star Trek treadmills with their own TV. And yes, that will train, and it can incline. So you can even, you can adjust the incline, the speed. So amazing yun kayo. So it will burn up your fats in no time. So then glass, very spacious. I really like this gym, kay spacious kay siya. And of course, here's more. Kalingaw ana. So you will lose track of time while working out. So muniwang yung mayo because you can just enjoy your favorite TV show while doing your workout and burning all those calories. Then, of course, this is the group exercise class. The group exercise room. Look at that. Look at how spacious this is. Wow. Definitely, you're just one workout away. One workout stronger. So imagine this. Grabe ka luag. Grabe ka spacious. It's really, one of the the biggest gyms, most spacious gyms in Cebu. And of course, nasa baseline center on the second floor. And in a bit, we're gonna inquire kung unsay lang mga opening promos dire so that, you can start working out, losing weight, and getting stronger with Gold's Gym.
For probably 40 years. And as you know, it's very rich in tradition. And this used to be the center of a lot of sports activities, including the gym. Now, what we have done is to continue with the tradition and really upgraded it, no? Because it's very convenient. It's close to many other facilities here, like the schools, the hospitals, residences, supermarkets, and the church, Redemptorist Church for one. So I think it's a center of so many things. It's close to Fuentes Mania. Now, if you are just nearby, well, just to picture yourself in a morning routine, you go to mass in Redemptorist and then walk, or even just have a short trip, pass by Baseline Residences, Baseline Center, and be at the Gold's Gym. And you look at the facilities, I think it is the best.
All are brand new, the equipment are
Brand new, and it's really upgraded. Even the treadmill, it's good view, and I've not seen a treadmill. I've traveled all over the world in different gyms. I've never seen a treadmill like this. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
And so many other things you can do here. Zumba, yoga, Malay. As we add more of our enrollees, and we will have specialized professors or tutors for that. So everything you can find in fitness is here.
So now I'm sure you're curious now how much will it cost you to join Gold's Gym. So here's Ringo, the club manager of Gold's Gym here at Baseline Center. So Ringo, how much ngayon? What's the best promo right now for people who wants to work out in Gold's Gym here, especially here?
Yes, hi. Welcome to Gold's Gym. My name is Ringo. I'm club manager of Gold's Gym here in Baseline, and currently our promo is 1 year for 14,500.
Wow!
50% of the normal rate. And we have also 18,500, which is an elite membership, which is you can access in all Gold's Gym branches nationwide.
Wow guys, that's so sulit bitaway. Why bino ang Gold's Gym membership usually is almost around 3,000 pesos, now it's just 1,000 plus. That's a big bargain guys. So finally Ringo, invite them. Asan nga to at anong oras kayo bukas yun? Mga ganun.
Yes, so everyone, we are located here at Baseline Center, which is along Juan Osmeña Street. We are open from 6 a.m. till 10 p.m. on the weekdays. On the weekends, like Saturdays, we are open 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. And during holidays and Sundays, we are open 9 a.m. till 10 p.m.
So guys, see you guys and look for Ringo if you have any other inquiries.